Hello everyone, my name is Otto Warner, and welcome to my course, Salesforce AppExchange, What Every Salesforce Admin Needs to Know. I'm a digital marketing consultant with over a decade of experience implementing and integrating sales and marketing technologies, and if you're just starting out with Salesforce, or if your company has acquired the platform recently, this course will give you foundational knowledge of the platform and how it's administered. In this course, we're going to show you how to navigate and find apps on the Exchange, as well as how to install and manage apps into your Salesforce instance. Some major topics that we'll cover will include what types of apps are on the AppExchange, how to determine if an app is free or paid, saving apps to your saved list for future evaluation, installing an app to your production or sandbox instance of Salesforce, and managing app settings after installation. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use the AppExchange to enhance your use of Salesforce by using pre-built customizations and integrations with your third-party platforms to streamline workflows and remove manual processes. We suggest logging into your own Salesforce instance and following along with the course to help familiarize yourself with the platform. I hope you'll join me in learning about Salesforce app management in the Salesforce AppExchange course on Pluralsight.